Hello, let me introduce my family.
Hello, this is my family. This is my dad. This is my mom. This is my brother. This is my sister. This is my grandpa. This is my grandma. This is my uncle. This is my aunts. This is my cousin.